Good morning, students. Let us start grade 10th chapter 2 polynomials. Students, our today's topic is relationship between the zeros and the coefficients in case of cubic polynomial. As we know that cubic polynomial ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a is not equal to 0, for this cubic polynomial, if alpha, beta, gamma be the zeros, then sum of products taken two at a time and product, which we already know and learned. So see, once again, sum of zeros in case of cubic polynomial alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to minus coefficient of x square upon coefficient of x cube. Sum of product of zeros taken two at a time, that is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equals to coefficient of x upon coefficient of x cube, and last product of zeros alpha beta gamma is equals to minus constant term upon coefficient of x cube. This is what? This is our sum of product of zeros taken two at a time as well as product in case of cubic polynomial. Now let us solve one question in which we are learned how to verify the relationship between zeros and the coefficients. So given polynomial, given p of x, that is your polynomial x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Students, in order to verify the relation, it is important to find out the zeros of your given polynomial. For zeros, let given polynomial is equals to zeros. It implies x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2 is equals to 0. Now we have various methods to split the cubic polynomial, but we use here factorization method. So you can see that these, out of these two terms, x square is common, so x square is outside, x is left, minus 2. Then out of these two common, minus 1 is common, and here is x minus 2 is equals to what? Is equals to 0. It further implies x minus 2 is again common, and x minus 2 is outside, here is x square and minus 1 left. It is equals to what? Zeros, because x minus 2 is already common. It further implies x minus 2. See, this is what? This is a square minus b square, or otherwise you can write this as x minus 2 into x square minus 1 square is equals to 0. So here is a square minus b square, which is a plus b into a minus b is equals to 0. So x minus 2 is equals to 0, comma, x plus 1 equals to 0, comma, x minus 1 equals to 0. So from this we can easily get our zeros. It further implies x is equals to 2, comma, x is equals to minus 1, comma, x is equals to 1. So therefore x is equals to, I am writing very first minus 1, then 1, then 2 are required zeros. These are what? These are our zeros. Students, see carefully. Here we get 1, 2 and 3. 3 zeros. As we know, cubic polynomial, given polynomial is cubic, so that's why we get 3 zeros. Now relationship. How to find the relationship? In case of a relationship between the zeros and the coefficients, so for this let alpha comma beta comma gamma be zeros of p of x. P of x is what? Our given polynomial. And for this polynomial, minus 1, 1 and 2 are our 0. So it implies we can write alpha is equals to minus 1, beta is equals to 1 and gamma is equals to 2 are the zeros. So sum we can take very first sum, that is alpha sum. Sum means what? Sum is equals to alpha plus beta plus gamma, sum of zeros, which is equals to alpha minus 1, beta value is plus 1, then plus 2. So see, minus 1 and plus 1 cancel itself, we are left with 2. Now we have to solve 2 in such a way that we satisfied the relation in the relation with the coefficients. So this 2 guys, this 2 we can write as minus into minus 2 upon 1. Is it? Yes. Minus 2 into minus 2, because minus into minus becomes plus. So which further equals to? So minus is outside, 2 come here. You can see that minus 2 is your coefficient of x square. Minus 2 is coefficient of x square. So I am writing coefficient of x square upon coefficient of 1. 1 is coefficient of x cube. 1 is coefficient of x cube. So this is what? See, sum of zeros in case of cubic polynomial alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to minus coefficient of x square upon coefficient of x cube. Next one is sum of product. Sum of product of zeros. Sum of product of zeros taken 2 at a time. Taken 2 at a time. That means which is equals to, so students, I have no space, so I have to create the space here. So first part I am rub this. So see, sum of product of zeros taken 2 at a time, that is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Let us substitute the values here. See, alpha beta, alpha value is what? Alpha value, here I am writing the value of alpha minus 1 and beta value is 1 bracket, then plus beta value is 1, gamma value is 2. See, gamma value is 2, then plus gamma alpha, gamma is 2 and alpha is minus 1, which is equals to minus 1 plus 2 minus 2. See, minus 2 and plus 2 cancel, we are left with minus 1. We are left with minus 1. So which we can write that minus 1 upon 1. See, this we can write as coefficient of, come here, check your equation. This is what? Minus 1. Minus 1 is what? Coefficient of x. So it is coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x cube. Coefficient of x cube. So last one is product of zeros. Product of zeros, which is equals to alpha beta gamma. So alpha value is minus 1, beta value is 1 and gamma value is 2, which is equals to minus 2. And further we can write this minus 2 upon 1, which is equals to minus, and if I keep here bracket, so you can see again in your equation 2 is what? Constant term divided by coefficient of x cube. So students, see, sum of product of zeros taken 2 at a time is equals to coefficient of x upon coefficient of x cube. By the formula it is also like this. And product of zeros alpha beta gamma on solving according to our zeros, we get minus constant term upon coefficient of x cube, that is also equal to minus constant term upon coefficient of x cube. Hence verified the relation. Hence verified. So students, this is what? This is all about your relationship between the zeros and the coefficients in case of a cubic polynomial. Hope you understand the way to solve this concept. So bye bye everyone. Have a nice day all of you.